My name is Morten and I am Managing Director of L&P Springs Denmark. L&P Springs Denmark is part of Leggett Platt. We are here producing in the bedding division where we mainly produce springs for beds. We some years ago were looking for an online data collection system so we could increase and monitor our production. We ran into Trendlog amongst other options, and we chose Trendlog because that was a cost efficient system which was very easy and quite fast to install and get us up running. We have increased around production with 5% during the years we have used Trendlog, not only by using data collection but also by introducing the maintenance program where we have the preventive maintenance running. For the future we also hope to introduce the quality view of it so we can replace old-fashioned paperwork with a modern approach with online data collection for the quality system.